Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS. Twin cylinder sport bike, only 1,100 miles on this gorgeous white and black Ninja 650. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS. This thing is like showroom condition. It's got a nice little fender eliminator, an integrated tail light. She is in showroom condition for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.